Hi everyone, this is Shazir Rafiq. Welcome to my channel. In today's 5 minutes economics, we are going to discuss long run aggregate supply curve. Now, long run aggregate supply curve means the total output supplied produced in a country in a period of time when prices of the factors of production changes. When prices of the factors of production changes means they are fully adjusted. Now, we have two approaches to long run aggregate supply. In today's 5 minutes economics, we'll be focusing more on new classical approach. Now, new classical approach emphasizes that an economy can reach its full capacity without government intervention. According to new classical approach, the economy can meet its full employment, the level of full employment without any government intervention. According to the new classical approach, aggregate supply curve is perfectly inelastic. As you can see from the diagram as well, it's a perfectly inelastic curve. As you can see that the price level, whatever the price changes in the price level comes up, but there will be no change in real output. The new classical suggests that real GDP is determined by the supply side factors, that is the level of investments made in an economy or the level of capital and the productivity of the labor over the period of time. So this can be shown through a diagram, that is where your PD is perfectly elastic or equals to 0. New classical also says that and suggests that increase in aggregate demand faster, if aggregate demand increases more than your long run aggregate supply curve, so it will cause an inflation. It will cause an inflation. As you can see from the diagram as well, that there's a rightward shift in aggregate demand. Your aggregate demand increases from 81 to 82, which shows an economic growth. But if your economic growth increases more rapidly than the change in long run aggregate supply, so there will be a change in prices. As you can see, there will be increase in prices, but your GDP, real national income, will remain same. So this was the concept of new classical approach about the long run aggregate supply curve.
If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thank you.